it's also very nice today on the 21st of March 2025. This is Unikkotie Valmovägen 3 staircase F. The last staircase to be filmed in this residential building here. We have filmed from staircases A to F. And this one and the staircase E, the two last ones, have still the older type of doorknob. But staircases A to D have the newer type. But they are probably all finished in late 1990 here. They were still varying the doorknobs. And here it's also the same as F66334 with light in 1990 finished 1990 here. Interestingly, it's here speaking, but staircase A had just K.
Yeah.
Some of them have that too, unless they act too much here. This should have been in Swedish and Finnish.
Yeah.
I like the sounds as well here. And
Same here.
the doors are beautiful here, a bit rare for this time.
Yeah.
But the gap could have been wooden, of course.
Yeah. It's built by and maintained by Kone.
That's it, thanks for watching.
That's